everybody. As you know, I was playing like this airline, like a small airline. So today I'm gonna be flying the Boeing 747. I'm gonna fly this airline soon. In the next video, let's go. Just gotta go to routes and pick one. I think I'll pick Brazil to USA to Japan. We're gonna fly the Boeing 747. Let's fly it. So it is 6,709 miles away from Japan. Flight. Alright. Flight 810. Alright, I'm flight 810. Okay. This thing's going pretty fast. This is my first time playing this airline. Okay, this is mid. So, let me just speed this up. Alright, that's enough. I need to fly steady because people are eating. Okay, this thing is pretty mid. This is my favorite airplane. Turbulence. Alright, this thing is cool. Alright, we're like 3,000 miles away first. We're in the 3,000 miles. We're in the 3,000. Alright, that's not pretty long. Just a few more minutes and we're there. Alright. Hope I don't catch a fire. Okay. We're halfway into the flight. Okay. Turbulence again. This thing's pretty strong. Whoa. Alright. I guess we're like in the 1000s now. We're about to land in I think 1 minute. To avoid the turbulence, you need to go up, not down. Or else more passengers will dislike the flight. Or mostly not like it a lot. And they'll get so angry. They might skydive out of the airplane. Alright, we're about to approach the airport. Time to lower down the gears and the flaps. Okay, this thing is pretty rough to control. It's hard, but that was a long flight. Alright, there we go, we're landing. We're about to land in 3, 2, 1. Alright, that was not a good landing. Alright. We're here. We landed at Japan. Okay, I got a thumbs up. Bye everybody. Hope you had a good day and enjoying this video.